Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of parts of a circle. Let's dive into it. The circle shown has a circumference of 12 pi. The length of minor arc is x pi. This is x pi. And what is the value of x? But for this type of questions, you would need to know that the whole circumference. We just got 30-degree part of that, which means that 30 degree over 360 degrees is going to give you how much the part of the whole circumference we're talking about. So, and the whole circumference was 12 pi, and we have x pi in here. So when you look at it, when you simplify 30 by 360, you would get 1 over 12. This is equals to 1 over 12 is also equals to pi cancels each other out, and x over 12. And as you can see from this expression, you can easily say that x is 1, or you can do cross multiplication. If you haven't still able to figure that out, we would just do cross multiplication. 12x will be equals to 12. Divide both sides by 12 again to get the x by itself. Therefore, x will be equals to 1. So our answer is 1 for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.